At some point in your life, you will start to absolutely hate your parents, loathe them like anything, literally. सबसे ज़्यादा नफरत तुम्हारे फैमिली से ही होगी तुमको. एक टाइम आएगा ऐसा, तुम्हारी फैमिली तुमको ऐसे लगेगी भाई क्या डम है, कैसे एग्जिस्ट कर गए ये लोग, कितने गलत है भाई, कितने सारे फ्लॉज हैं इन लोगों में. And you will start to absolutely hate every single member of your family. I have been there. Most of the people that I know are there or have been there or going through that. And there's really nothing much you can do about it except for accepting the way your family member are. Or maybe confronting them if you are at least somewhat courageous. But I'm assuming most of you are not, and that's why you're watching this. First of all, लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि भाई होता क्यों है ये. ठीक है, एक तो कॉमन गैस है, तुम सब लोग कर लाइक गेस कर ही सकते हो. एडल्ट्स प्यूबर्टी रेबेलियन, वो कौन सा एक फेज है, वर्ड है, ठीक है भाई, दैट वन. ठीक है, लेट्स जस्ट एग्री विद दैट. बट देयर कम्स अ पॉइंट वेयर आफ्टर 30 years or maybe 35 years or maybe 25 years of birth of a child they start to hate their parents. पहले क्या हुआ था, पहले प्यूबर्टी तो चली गई ना भैया, पहले क्यों नहीं हेट किया, तो अब क्यों हेट कर रहे हो? What's the difference, right? So I'm trying to say in both of this manner, दोनों में एक ही common trait है और pattern है, if that makes sense. So it's like पहली बात तो भाई तुम अपने एक individual बन रहे हो, if that makes sense. अब तुम्हारे लिए तुम्हारी फैमिली सब कुछ नहीं रही. अब तुम एक किसी के दोस्त हो, अब मे बी यू डूइंग सम जॉब, अब तुम एक एम्प्लॉय हो, मे बी यू रन अ बिजनेस, अब तुम एक CEO हो. नाउ यू हैव डिफरेंट आइडेंटिटीज. ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं भाई 12 की एज से. नाउ यू स्टार्ट टू क्वेश्चन रूल्स. नाउ यू स्टार्ट टू क्वेश्चन अथॉरिटी. द ओनली अथॉरिटी यू हैड इन योर लाइफ वॉज योर पेरेंट्स, योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स. ठीक है, अगर तुम घर में सबसे छोटे हो मेरी तरह, तो द ओनली अथॉरिटी फिगर दैट यू हैड टिल यू आर 13 or 14 are your family members, and whatever they say they are right. It's just the way the humans are, bro. Can't help it. But now you start to challenge that authority, क्योंकि अब तुम्हें अकल आ रही है धीरे धीरे. Now you are creating your own thoughts, if that makes sense, right? Now you're like, ये ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं ये लोग, right? You look a flaw in them. एक पहली बार एक फ्लॉ नजर आता है तुम्हें अपने पेरेंट्स के अंदर, and then you're like, fuck, ये तो परफेक्ट नहीं है. And then you're like, fuck भाई, ये जिस तरह से बात कर रहे उस तरह से जिंदगी क्यों नहीं जी रहे? Why don't they live up to what they say? And they're like, fuck, इनमें तो ये भी flaw है, another flaw. Then you just start to pick flaw like anything. ठीक है भाई, एक एक करके भाई गलतियां निकालते रहोगे अपने पेरेंट्स में. एंड उसी में कई लोगों की तो भाई उसी में ज़िंदगी चले जाते हैं. जब उनके पेरेंट्स नहीं रहते तब जाके रियलाइजेशन होता है कि काश I would have said I love you to them, kash I would have hugged them. But that's what we are trying to avoid right now, right? That's the intention of making this video. Ki I hope you realize things, but nevertheless now that's how you start, right? And दिक्कत ये भी है कि ये रीज़न होता क्यों है कि भाई फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इमोशनल नेगलेक्ट और ओवर प्रोटेक्शन, राइट, जो मोस्ट ऑफ द इंडियन मॉम्स करते हैं, विच इज़ ओके फाइन, विच you should be grateful for. I am grateful for, but at some point even you agree that does become annoying, but you don't have to lash out, you don't have to be angry with it, if that makes sense. You don't have to show the anger, you just have to accept it the way they are, the way your parents are. I don't know your parents, right? भाई मुझे नहीं पता, ठीक है, I don't know your parents, but you know your parents, and you have to accept the way they are. You can try to change them by confronting them, and if they understand the situation, that's good. If they don't, just accept it and move on. If not, you will have fucking verbal battles with your parents for the rest of your life, and when they die, you will regret कि भाई काश मैंने वो सब चीजें नहीं बोली होती जो मैंने बोला था जवानी में. That, my friend, should not happen to you. I think that is a worst situation to be in, and I am like someone who have hated my parents most of my life. Like until I was 16 or 15. Loathed, like, bhai, when I say hate, I mean like literal hate, like killing wala hate. ठीक है भाई, मैं उस लेवल की बात कर रहा हूँ. This I don't know if I should say this on internet, but I absolutely hated every single member of my parents, like every single member of my family. Sorry for miscommunicating, but I hated them. Yeah, absolutely hated them. But some things happened. I had some realization, and I was like, "Fuck, भाई, this is not how it works." Like, उनकी भी पहली बार भाई, वो भी पहली बार जिंदगी जी रहे हैं, गलतियाँ होती हैं उनसे भी. Some may do some unforgivable acts, which is up to you to forgive them or not. ठीक है भाई, तुम्हारे ऊपर है. I did, and I'm living a good life. At least I have a good bond with my parents. At least I can joke around with my parents, which I was not able to do before because I was fucking scared of what they will say to me or if they will beat me up or something like that. ठीक है? But I don't anymore. Now I can joke around with them. Now I can laugh with them. And you know how happy do you feel when that happens? Because I don't know if ये तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी में normal है, but मेरी ज़िंदगी में नहीं था ये पहले. But धीरे धीरे I did some progress and now I can laugh with my parents. And I know this sounds very weird, but for some people it is not normal. And when we just have that laugh with our parents, and when you see कि भाई इतना भी बुरा नहीं है relationship मेरे parents के साथ, you realize कि भाई क्या blessed हूँ मैं हंस रहा हूँ अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ, मैं हंस रहा हूँ अपने फैमिली के साथ. यू रियलाइज कि भाई कितना ब्लेस्ड हूँ मैं कि मेरे पास ये बॉडी है, एक फंक्शनिंग माइंड है, एक फंक्शनिंग बॉडी, एंड every single member of my family is very well, doing well. If you are in that situation, and to be honest, if you have something to eat, place to live, a good place, healthy, clothes to wear, I think you're good to go. There are more than enough things to be grateful for. ठीक है, बाकी सब बहाने हैं. Anyways, coming back to the point, right? मैं ज़रा rant पे चला गया क्योंकि भाई ये भाई ग्रेटफुलनेस, अगर एक बार तुम ग्रेटफुलनेस स्टार्ट कर दो दिखाना अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए, don't have to show to them. If you're not at a stage where you can't say like I love you to them, or maybe can't show your emotion to them, good. जाने की जरूरत नहीं है comfort ना, whatever it is called. ठीक है भाई, वो एक लेवल रहता है ना, उससे ज़्यादा आगे जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. धीरे धीरे प्रोग्रेस करो. जस्ट रिमाइंड टू योरसेल्फ द वे दैट यू आर ग्रेटफुल फॉर योर पेरेंट्स, एंड वो धीरे धीरे जो एंगर है, ये हेट्रेड है, ये इनसिक्योरिटीज है, इन सबको कम कर देगी, ख़त्म कर देगी. कम नहीं करेगी, कम करेगी तो भाई वापस किसी ना किसी पॉइंट पे ये आ जाएगा. ठीक है. एंड फॉर मी दैट्स हाउ आई at least reduced it. I'm sure there are still some part, if they trigger some trigger points of mine, I'm sure I will get angry. Maybe I won't show it, but I will get angry, that's for sure. But और एक चीज़ ये भी है कि power struggle and control. ठीक है भाई, क्योंकि most of it happens with the teenagers, so like they are in this space where the control is पूरा control parents के पास है, and now they are above that somewhat, and they are like, मुझे अपने individuality चाहिए अब. So like I'm questioning everything. And then another thing is projection. कि भाई parents एक safe point है. Let's be very fucking honest. Your parents, your family members are your safe point. Whatever you say to them, you have already taken them for granted. Now you will say whatever you want because you know they will be there for you. एंड इसलिए तुम इतनी अनाप शनाब बहुत ही घटिया वाहियात चीज़ बोलोगे अपने पेरेंट्स को उनके मुंह के ऊपर, जो उनको हर्ट करेगी, जो तुम्हें भी हर्ट करेगी. किसी का भला नहीं होने वाला, बट फिर भी तुम करोगे क्योंकि यू आर प्रोजेक्टिंग योर इनसिक्योरिटीज, योर हेट्रेड विच यू गॉट फ्रॉम सम अदर प्लेस, फ्रॉम योर ऑफिस, फ्रॉम योर स्कूल प्लेस, आई डोंट फकिंग नो, फ्रॉम योर रिलेशनशिप. यू गॉट इट फ्रॉम देयर एंड नाउ यू आर fucking ranting them in front of your parents. You are hurting them and hurting yourself because of that thing, which is so fucked up. You should not do. भाई मत करो वो चीज़. क्यों करते हो भाई? बहुत रिग्रेट होगा. I have been there. बहुत रिग्रेट होगा भाई. Unless you like try to really show them that you love them, right? And is it normal? Sure it is. At least from what I have noticed, heard, read. I don't have any data to compare to, but I'm sure it is very normal. But if it remains for a long time, you need to do something, bhai. You need to confront them. Be somewhat courageous. Don't be a coward, bhai. I was a coward. I don't want to be a coward anymore. I don't know if that's the right pronunciation. I don't even care anymore, bhai. I hope तुम मेरी feelings समझ पा रहे हो. I just want you to confront your parents and talk with them. Don't get angry, please. someone needs to do something. If you want a good relationship with your parents, if you want to laugh with your parents, if you want to say or hug them, you need to do something. At least they have to take a step forward, or you have to take a step forward. And someone has to take a step forward. And if they are not willing to do it, you have to take it. And if you don't, no one will take a step forward, and there will be this wall which none of you will be able to cross. And I hope you can see beyond that wall कि कितना अच्छा रिलेशनशिप रहता है तुम्हारा और तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स के बीच अगर वो वॉल वहाँ पे नहीं रहता. एंड टू ब्रेक दैट वॉल you need to take a step forward. And to take a step forward, you need to accept that you also have flaws, but your parents most likely pinpoint them. That's cool. You also do the same, but you have to stop doing the same. You have to be like, sure, I have flaw. I have some kind of flaw. Sure, I agree. But I won't tell them their flaws. Not yet, unless they understand our point. So be like, first step, just confront. कि just say this whenever they say something fucking hurtful. Don't try to get angry. Just say, मुझे बुरा लगता है जब आप कहते हो मेरे को, मत बोला करो. Repeat that. इंसान है भाई, वो भी समझते हैं. I know they have shit ton of insecurities, trauma from their childhood. I agree. But at the end of the day, वो भी समझ जाएंगे when you repeat it. And that is the first step, making them understand that they are making a mistake. And to do that, well, you just have to go through fire, my friend. Whenever they say something, don't get angry. Please, meditate. It will help a lot. A lot. Don't get angry. Just be like, ठीक है. मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता जब आप ये कहते हो मेरे को. I did the same with my mom. Mom बुरा नहीं लग रहा भाई यार, ठीक है. Fuck. Anyways, बहुत सारे OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स देख रहा हूँ भाई. मैं पहले नहीं बुलाता था मॉम, भाई मदर बुलाता था इंग्लिश में. मॉम ज़रा हाई क्लास लगता है. मैं हाई क्लास हूँ नहीं भाई उतना, बहुत ही अजीब लगता है. But anyways bro, what the fuck am I speaking about भाई? Anyways, that's the only way to address this. Or either you can get a family therapy or individual therapy. And let's be fucking honest, if you really have the money to get that, you would not be watching this. But yeah भाई, उतना ही है. Because I genuinely want you to feel that, how do I say, that emotion, because I know most of you have not even laughed with your parents that well. Most of you are scared of even talking to your parents, which is such a shitty place to live in, very honestly. Because like, यार बहुत घटिया चीज़ है यार. I'm so grateful that I took a step forward, and then my parents took a step forward, then my family members, at least one by one, took a step forward. Well, sure, there are other family members that are not willing to take a step forward, and neither am I, at least yet. Kind of hypocritical if you think about it. I'm telling you to take a step forward, but I'm not doing it myself. But hey, I at least did it with my parents, and I'm slowly improving my relationship with them. You know, at least somewhat of an improvement, brother. Chill out. But yeah, उतना था यार. Like, अबे यार, at the end of the day ये बार, please start meditation भाई. Please start meditation. Please start to confront your parents. Please, I beg you भाई. I genuinely want you to feel happy with your parents, because जो regret होगा भाई उनके जाने के बाद, I can't even imagine. If I did not take that step forward 2 years ago, I at least did not have that courage, then I cannot even imagine भाई कि मैं कहाँ रहता and मेरे को कितना regret होता. मतलब जब मैं बूढ़ा हो जाता भाई तो कितना regret होता मेरे को. अभी उतना regret नहीं है. I'm trying my best. I'm at least doing something rather than just watching from the sideline and just like saying whatever the fuck I want to say, right? बट हाँ भाई, मेरी अंग्रेजी कमज़ोर है भाई, मेरे प्रोनाउंसिएशन कमज़ोर है. तो इफ़ आई से समथिंग रॉन्ग, प्लीज़ डोंट माइंड. बाकी यार, आई विश भाई, आई जेन्युइनली विश you have a very, very, very happy relationship with your parents, with your family members, क्योंकि that is a blessing to have. That is a blessing you should be grateful for, and I'm truly grateful for that kind of blessing. I'm grateful for God to be able to live in this life. Well, I would not say family. I mean, sure, to be able to live in this family. Yeah. But Yeah, I mean, it's not like my parents are perfect. It's not like I'm perfect. It's not like my family members are perfect. Everyone has flaws, right? I just have accepted them. Be like, sure, इस फैमिली मेम्बर का ये फ्लॉ है, मेरे पेरेंट्स का ये फ्लॉ है, इसका ये फ्लॉ है, श्योर. Maybe I try to confront them. Okay, violent reaction. Confront नहीं करना. इसका okay, ज़रा mild reaction. Maybe I can try to change them. Sure, go ahead. Parents, maybe I can try violent reaction. ठीक है, slowly, one step at a time. It took me 3 fucking years to do this. 2 or 3, I'm not sure. Maybe I don't know when I started, but you get my point. It takes time, but it takes a lot of time. But the patience will be worth it. I know it. I'm on the other side of the bridge, and I know it. It will be worth it. So please try. At some point, you will feel like I give up, but please don't. I genuinely hope. I once again genuinely hope you will be able to live, laugh, and love your parents, and at least show them that you love them. And yeah, love you all. Bye. Keep smiling and sayonara.